The courtroom opens with a routine request. The defense asks for a short delay in the case, but then, the real story comes out. The prosecutor steps forward. He tells the judge, "This is not the first time. This man has a history of drunk driving, not just once or twice, but stretching back decades. 1986, 1988, 1992, 1995, 2005, 2012, 2018, 2020. And now again. It's not a record, it's a timeline. And in law, timelines like this scream one word: risk." The judge asks the defense to respond. The lawyer explains, the man is a Navy veteran, honorably discharged. He goes to AA meetings, even went yesterday, and is looking at checking into a Christian-based rehab program. But the judge isn't satisfied. If he wants rehab, why isn't he already there? The judge asks. Then comes the bombshell. At booking, the man's breath test showed 0.47, a number so high most people would be unconscious or worse. But legally, that number can't even be used in trial. The court has to wait for official blood results. And yes, there was an accident, a single car crash. No one was hurt, but the risk was real. At booking, his BAC was still 0.147. That's drunk enough to be dangerous. The defense tries again. They explain the bond was already set at $50,000 with conditions. His son even had to step in, paying part of the bond with a credit card. The lawyer asks the judge for leniency, so the man can stay out, go to meetings, and work on treatment. But the prosecutor pushes back. He just got out of prison for drunk driving in 2022. Now, 2 years later, he's here again. This isn't punishment. It's about protecting the public. The judge leans back, weighing both sides. This is the balance every judge faces. Protect the community, but don't slam the door on rehabilitation. Finally, the judge makes the call. Bond is set higher, number 10%. The message is clear. You are not walking free unless treatment is real. But then, the judge leaves a small window of hope. If the man truly wants inpatient treatment, the court will refund the bond money so it can go toward rehab. The judge says, "I want him to get help. I don't want him back here for drunk driving that causes a death. I need to protect the community, and this is how I'll do it." The narrator pauses. It's not just about one man. It's about every family who pays the price for repeat mistakes. A son bails out his father, but the judge makes sure the cycle has to break here or next time. It could be fatal. Hit subscribe, share with others, and press like, because truth deserves to be heard.